Nature is a masterpiece, a perfectly balanced system where every creature plays a role. From the depths of the ocean to the treetops of the rainforest, life thrives in incredible ways. But intelligence is what truly sets some animals apart. It's not just instincts, it's problem-solving, strategy, and even emotions. Some creatures use tools, communicate in complex ways, or even outsmart humans in certain tasks. And trust me, the smartest one on this list might surprise you. Stay till the end as we count down the top 10 most intelligent animals on Earth. Let's begin. They may be small, but ants are nature's architects and master strategists. These tiny creatures work together in ways that mimic complex societies. They farm, build underground cities, and communicate through pheromones to direct thousands of their kind toward food and shelter. Some species even go to war, coordinating large-scale attacks against rival colonies. And if that's not enough, scientists have observed ants teaching one another, a sign of intelligence rarely seen outside of mammals. Their collective brain power proves that size doesn't always determine intelligence. If you've ever seen a squirrel bury a nut, you might wonder, how do they remember where they hid it? The truth is they don't always. But their remarkable memory allows them to recall hundreds of hiding spots, using landmarks and scent cues. They even use deceptive tactics, pretending to bury food in one spot while secretly hiding it elsewhere to trick potential thieves. Squirrels adapt to urban environments better than most animals, navigating traffic, jumping between buildings, and even solving puzzles set by researchers. Quick-witted and highly adaptable, these little rodents are smarter than they look. Parrots aren't just mimicking sounds, they actually understand what they say. African gray parrots, in particular, have intelligence comparable to a 5-year-old child. They can count, recognize shapes and colors, and even use words in context. One famous parrot, Alex, could ask for specific items and even express frustration when he didn't get what he wanted. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Parrots also use logic to solve problems and form deep emotional bonds with their owners. Who knew that one of the smartest animals in the world had feathers? Cats may not always listen to commands, but that's not because they're unintelligent. It's because they're independent thinkers. Unlike dogs who thrive on human approval, cats make decisions based on what benefits them. Studies show they recognize their names but choose when to respond. They can also learn by observation, opening doors, solving puzzles, and even training their owners. Yes, that's right. Have you ever wondered why your cat meows at you? It's because they've learned that humans respond to vocalization, something they don't even do with each other. In their own way, cats have figured out how to make us work for them. Dogs aren't just loyal companions, they are incredible problem solvers. Some breeds, like border collies, can learn hundreds of words and follow complex commands. They have an innate ability to understand human emotions, responding to tone, body language, and even facial expressions. Guide dogs and search and rescue dogs showcase some of the most advanced intelligence in the animal kingdom, navigating obstacles, detecting danger, and making life-saving decisions. Dogs have evolved alongside humans for thousands of years, making them not just smart, but deeply in tune with us. Crows are astonishingly intelligent. They use tools, recognize human faces, and even remember those who treat them kindly, or badly. In some cities, crows have learned to drop nuts on roads so that passing cars crack them open. They can also solve multi-step puzzles, showing planning and foresight. Studies have proven that crows understand water displacement, a concept that young children struggle with. Their intelligence rivals that of primates, making them one of the brainiest birds on the planet. Bees are far more than just pollinators, they are master navigators and expert communicators. These tiny insects have an incredible ability to work together in perfect harmony, ensuring the survival of their hive. Their famous waggle dance is no random movement. It's a highly sophisticated language that conveys precise information about the direction and distance of food sources. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Bees can solve complex mathematical problems, like determining the shortest route between multiple flowers, a challenge known as the traveling salesman problem. Even modern scientists study bee behavior to improve artificial intelligence and optimize logistics systems. Despite their small size, their collective intelligence is truly massive, proving that even the tiniest creatures can achieve extraordinary feats. Octopuses have an alien-like intelligence that continues to baffle scientists. These extraordinary creatures can open jars, escape from tightly sealed tanks, and solve complex puzzles that would stump many other animals. Their intelligence goes beyond mere problem solving. They exhibit curiosity, playfulness, and even the ability to recognize individual humans. Each of their arms has its own mini-brain, allowing them to process information independently and multitask in ways we can't even imagine. They can also change color and texture in an instant, not just for camouflage, but possibly as a form of communication. With remarkable problem-solving skills, a keen short-term memory, and an uncanny ability to adapt, octopuses have rightfully earned their title as the geniuses of the sea. Elephants are not just the largest land animals, they are also among the most emotionally and intellectually advanced. Their intelligence rivals our own in many ways, displaying deep emotions, problem-solving skills, and an extraordinary memory. Elephants mourn their dead, often returning to the spot where a loved one passed, gently touching the bones in what appears to be a gesture of respect and grief. They recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare ability that indicates self-awareness, and they can even use tools such as branches to swat flies or dig for water. Their memory is legendary, allowing them to recall places, other elephants, and even humans for decades. These gentle giants live in tight-knit family groups, communicating through low-frequency rumbles that can be heard miles away. Their intelligence, compassion, and social bonds make them one of the most extraordinary species on Earth. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent, displaying problem-solving skills, teamwork, and emotional depth. They communicate using unique whistles, essentially names for each other, and work in teams to herd fish with strategic precision. These marine mammals have been observed using tools, like marine sponges, to protect their snouts while foraging. They also show empathy, helping injured pod members and even rescuing humans. Their playfulness isn't just for fun, it's a sign of high cognitive function. With self-recognition, complex communication, and deep social bonds, dolphins continue to amaze scientists with their intelligence. Bees are described as receiving divine inspiration and following precise, organized paths. Modern science confirms that bees have sophisticated navigation skills, communication, waggle dance, and the ability to work together in a highly structured society. From tiny bees to majestic elephants, intelligence in the animal kingdom comes in many incredible forms. Some creatures solve puzzles, others communicate in ways we're only beginning to understand, and a few even show emotions remarkably similar to our own. Which of these animals impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring the wonders of nature, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new discovery. There's so much more to uncover. See you in the next adventure.